Richard, it's so nice to see you looking so good. Iniisip ko nga, dapat makabalik na ako dito ng top kasi kumpara dun sa mga ibang tingnan ngayon, sis mukhang hindi na. And, you know, we meet with your mom every now and then. And the last time she was worried when you went biking with you. And she said it's so dangerous. She doesn't understand how Sarah can tolerate it to be so long traveling all over the country in your bike. So, kasama ba yun dito sa fourth season?
Yeah, that's a storyline na kasama din sa season na ito. Actually, yun nga, after nung Panday series, and I did another movie, after that, parang I just wanted to unwind and relax, and my version of unwinding is to ride my motorcycle. And nagplan ako ng trip with my friends, and sinabi ko lang kay mom siguro mga 2 days before ako aalis. Actually, 1 day before. And
Hindi ka nagsabi si Sarah.
And then,
inform sa'yo.
Nagulat si Sarah eh. Kasi sabi si Richard, tatlong araw ko siya nakikita. Anong nangyari sa kanya? Siya, sinabi niya sa akin, kung nakaalis na si Richard.
tapos, she was sending me hate messages along the way. Yung mga kasama ko daw, wala daw nagmamahal sa kanila, kaya gusto nila magmotor at bawal sa Philippines. So, makikita niyo yung storyline yan. Pero yeah, matagal ko na rin kasing binabalak yun na mag-travel around the Philippines on a motorcycle. And it's one of my passions. Na-relax talaga ako once I'm traveling on my motorcycle. So that's part of the story.
So, ano yun na nakabike kayo all through or you don't stay in hotels?
We do. Mag-stop over kami. Ginawa namin yung Manila to Sagada 2 nights yun. Nag-stop kami sa La Union. And then from La Union to Sagada, and then Sagada back to Manila.
And the last time I heard you had to cross seas with, you went to Cebu or?
Mindoro.
Mindoro. So,
Yeah.
ano yun, nakaroro kayo?
Nag-roro kami. So, going to Mindoro.
About the movie that you said you finished, is that going to be shown soon?
Yeah, hopefully it will be shown soon. Wala pa akong exact details. I think nagkaroon ng konting delay dahil it's about because of the elections and medyo yung storyline kasi medyo controversial. It's about the Mama Sapano story. So medyo na-hold. It was supposed to be shown earlier pero I think papalabas siya, I think August. Hopefully matuloy din yung showing. At may mga humarang daw.
Ano raw ang title? Sabi ni Ethel.
Miracles are forever.
So, hindi ka na yan. Tapos na siya.
Tapos na, actually matagal nang natapos yung movie. Dapat nga ipapalabas na yun. Pero medyo controversial nga. So medyo may mga nag-delay ng showing namin.
So, with regard to Panday, were you disappointed when the schedule was very erratic? Some people cannot expect kung kailan di palalabas. I think that's one reason why it didn't really take off.
Yes, I was frustrated. To be honest, I was frustrated with the time slot that was given to Panday. Ang usapan namin magkakaroon ng fixed time slot, but as soon as we started airing, our time slot kept moving. Yung airing days namin kept changing. Ako mismo as Panday, hindi ko alam ipapalabas pa kami ngayong gabi, anong oras. So medyo frustrating for me yung naging setup na yun. Although, you know, when you're working that much, you can't be bothered by those things. So, I try to just focus on my work. Tinatry namin i-direct na talaga pagandahin yung show despite dun sa mga nagiging problema na hindi namin kayang kontrolin. Nag-focus kami sa mga bagay na kaya namin kontrolin, which is to do our best in the show. And that's what we try to do. Yun, so medyo frustrating dahil hindi pa yata na-figure out ng TV5 kung anong gusto nila sa time slots nila, and hopefully they get to figure that out soon.
So, ano pang balak sa kanila mo when it comes to television?
Isa pang frustrating is yung, I think yung fallout ng partnership with Viva and TV5. I was really excited about that. It then turned out to be a bit short term. So right now, we're planning to do a movie with Viva, and we'll see what happens after that.
So aside from the movie na you finish, you're going to do another one?
Yes.
Ano ba, hindi kaya hanapin ng